Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my 555 timer circuit. So this is the breadboarding for it, and you can see that I have made using the 50% duty cycle, because you can see the amount of light getting off and on is the same. So this is 50% duty cycle, and you need this chip, which is the 555 timer, and 10 microfarad capacitor. You need LEDs, diode, and 5 volt regulator, which is 78, which is this one, 7805, to do this breadboarding. So this is how you do the connections for it. I hope this video is pretty clear to you guys and you can see the connections.